Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see CBSE Grade 12 Maths, Exercise 5.2, question number 9. Look at the question. Prove that the function f is given by f of x is equal to modulus of x minus 1. X is real number. It is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. If it is differentiable, then left hand derivative equal to right hand derivative if it is differentiable. If it is not differentiable, left hand side derivative and right hand side derivative should not be equal. Here, what it is? Here it is not differentiable. Okay, what is the formula for left hand side derivative? Limit h tends to 0 minus left hand derivative. F of a minus h minus f of a divided by minus h. This is left hand derivative. Equal to right hand derivative is limit h tends to 0 plus f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h only, not minus h. For left hand derivative, f of a minus h. For right hand derivative, f of a plus h. For left hand, it is minus h denominator. Right side, right hand, it is plus h. Okay. Now, before seeing this question, we will see the concept one by one. This is the main concept, and another concept is modulus of x means what? What is meant by modulus of x? It is minus x when x is less than 0. It is plus x when x is greater than or equal to 0. These two concepts, understand that one? Okay. Okay. Left hand derivative is f of a minus h. Now, look at the question. F of x is equal to modulus of x minus 1. It is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. So, a is equal to 1. Okay. Now, we will go to the left hand derivative. Left hand derivative, what are the things we need to find? F of a minus h. Then f of a. Okay. What is left hand derivative means it is a negative. X is less than 0. So, it is nothing but minus x minus 1 minus x minus 1 x is less than 0. Left hand means x is less than 0 minus x minus 1. So it is 1 minus x, minus x plus 1. It is 1 minus x. Okay. So 1 you put, f of x is, now instead of x you put a minus h. Instead of x, we are going to put a minus h. This is a normal functions. So what will happen here? A is what? Here a is 1. Got it? Clear? Left hand derivative means it is x is less than 0. So modulus, whatever it is modulus, put minus sign and I expanded. Okay. Now f of a minus h I am finding. A is 1 minus, instead of h I am putting the function 1 minus x I have to put, not x minus 1, because x is less than 0. This is the main point. So what will come? 1 minus 1 plus h. So f of a minus h is h. Then what is f of a? F of a is 1. A is equal to 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Instead of x, I am going to put 1. Instead of x, I am going to put 1. Here, instead of x, I put 1 minus h. Okay. Now we will go to the formula. Left hand side derivative equal to limit h tends to 0 minus approaching 0. F of a minus h is what? H minus f of a 0 divided by minus h. So h by minus h, sir. H by minus h cancel. It will be it is minus 1. Got it? Clear? Now copy down. F of x is modulus x minus 1. We are going to find left hand side derivative. Left hand side derivative means minus f of x. Minus x minus 1 is 1 minus x. Okay. Now f of a minus h. It is in the formula. Formula is f of a minus h, left hand side derivative. F of a minus h minus f of a and divided by minus h. Okay. Now right hand derivative or hd. What is RHD? Limit h tends to 0. F of a plus h minus f of a divided by h only, not minus h. Okay, here a plus h, h. Okay, how to do it? Limit. What is f of a plus h? A plus h is a is equal to 1. Modulus is, it is right hand side derivative, so modulus of x minus 1 is x minus 1 only. So instead of x, we have to put 1 plus h. Because here a is 1. 1 plus h minus 1. We finish this one. Minus f of a is 0 divided by h. H by h equal to 1. So left hand side derivative LHD is minus 1, right hand derivative minus 1, right hand derivative is plus 1. So left hand derivative is not equal to right hand derivative. So f of x modulus of x minus 1 cannot be differentiated at x is equal to 1. Got it clear? Okay. Copy down. Just this is a right hand derivative. This is a left hand derivative. Left hand derivative is a minus h, f of a minus h. Modulus of x minus 1 will become minus x minus 1, so it is 1 minus x. Okay. Good. Thank you for watching my videos. keep on watching and leave your comments, particularly for this question. This question I took bit more time to explain to you all. I hope you get it.